Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up and all that jazz. So today I'm working on an 11 by 14, just a panel board. I've got a beautiful kind of bluish gray color, a very, very light gray, almost looks white, and then I've got silver, which I think will be nice. It'll be a light overall. And I've got Floetrol in all of them, and I put a little bit of this iridescent medium, I think it's called. Yeah, iridescent medium. And in the two colors, not the silver because that's already shiny and sparkly to begin with. So here we go. So here it is here. You can see the silver and lots of cells. There's a silver, look at that. And yeah, it looks beautiful. Very calming. From another angle, and you can see, kind of looks like ices. Mountains or something. That's what I see anyway. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I had to scrape the last one because I was just not happy with it. So I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna add, I took away the silver and I added a green. Chartreuse green. Here are some of the cells. in that kind of bright green. It's like almost fluorescent. Here it is from the other side, and a look at the lacing there and the green kind of popping through here. There you go. See that? And then a little bit of bubbles of green there. It's beautiful. I really, really like it. Tell me what you think. Let me know. Leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching.